Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be talking about the Lisa Eldridge release. For those of you that are fans, you know that she releases a lip product once a year, and this year she went big. Not only are we getting 4 brand new shades of lipstick, but we are also getting glosses and a taste of what's to come. Some of the sets did have lip liners. I currently am wearing Myth Gloss, just the gloss, and it's absolutely stunning. So comfortable. And if you guys want to see what my thoughts are on her products, if you want to see swatches, then let's go. Alright guys, it's a cloudy, rainy day, and I figured this would be a great time to play with Lisa Eldridge. I love her stuff so much, and I'm super excited to play with these. So I think I'm going to start off by swatching her glosses, which, I'm not gonna lie, I wore already. I've worn one of them already. So I'm gonna start off by starting with the lightest shade, which is Beauty. This is a shade that I've worn already. Let me show you guys what it looks like. This is one swipe. I even hate to take these off. And then without going into anything else, I'm just using the other side of the wand. Oh, these feel so good. Putting this back in, and this is Beauty. I love this pink. I think it's such a beautiful, like, staple. It's an everyday pink, and like I said, this is what I wore. I wore it all day yesterday. This I kept reapplying. It feels really, it's not sticky. It feels like a nice, even, smooth coat. Like you can feel it sticking to your lips, but there's no stickiness. And you get this beautiful high shine. The pigmentation on these does last. It's a gloss, so it's not going to stay on forever the same that a lipstick would, but I will tell you guys that it does wear exceptionally well. Even after it wears off, my lips still felt hydrated, like it still looked like I had just put something on my lip. These are so good. I think she did a beautiful job. The packaging, let's talk about the packaging really quick, is absolutely beautiful. You have this really smooth, matted, semi-matte, I guess, top, and then you have her little L with her lips. And I appreciate that while the bottom is in gold, it is big enough to where you could read it. The other thing I'd like to mention is, so she has a stopper, but her doe foot kind of reminds me a little bit of the Fenty one, but it's a little bit, obviously it's a little bit smaller. It's flat on the top and then rounded on the back. This picks up the perfect amount of gloss. As you guys saw, the bottom lip was done with one swipe, and then when I was ready to just kind of fill in the rest of the top lip, I used the back of it. That's all you need. If I were to layer this, which I'll show you guys with the darker shades, this does stay on. It does build up. So she did a great job with her formula. I'm gonna go in with this shade, which is Myth. Oh, this color. I haven't played with this yet, so that was a first pull. As you guys can see, it has the stoppers. Everything is the same. So I'm just gonna apply it. Myth, guys, this is Myth. This is one full swipe from this gloss container. I didn't re-dip. I don't feel like I need to re-dip with this one. I did a really beautiful job applying the gloss evenly. The other thing I wanted to mention with this applicator is that the flat side helps spread the product, but it also shears it out some. And then the rounded side helps really deposit more product onto your lips. So again, just a little food for thought there. It's just a really well done applicator, but this is Myth. I love this. Oh, I don't even want to take it off. All right, guys, now we have Ribbon, which was inspired by her first launch. So this is one swipe. I'm gonna go ahead and dip some more because this one I'd like to build up. Oh, these colors are so well done and amazing. This, I would say, is the sheerest of the three, but as you guys can see, like, it's still very much pigmented. It is just beautiful. I love it. The formula is consistent across the board. I do have one other gloss to show you guys, and it came in this set. So you were able to purchase a set this year with a lipstick, a gloss, and a lip pencil. And the one I picked up was blush because this is one of her new releases for this year. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my lipstick off. You have it, and later I will show you guys what the lipstick looks like and what the liner looks like. This is very similar to my lip. I'm gonna layer this one just a little bit more. This color is life. This is so beautiful. So now you've seen the 4 shades that I purchased, and I have to tell you guys, I absolutely love every single one. I love the formula, I love how it feels, and to be honest with you guys, I more often than not will opt to buy lipstick versus gloss any day because gloss doesn't wear as well. But I needed to try her gloss formulation because I do know that she puts a lot of time, effort into really developing her line. And honestly, worth every single penny. I know that the lipstick for this specific shade is a little bit deeper, so I'm excited about that. But I think this would be like a quick and easy gloss to throw on, and I love it. All right, guys, so I am going to jump into her limited edition bag and set, which includes the lip liner and the lipstick. I have been, I don't know. No, I know which one I want to wear today. So I'm going to start off by lining my lip. Oh, the packaging is very pretty. The lip liner is very pretty, very creamy. The color is just lovely. And now for Velvet Blush, everybody. Oh my. I love this color. I love this color. Damn, I was not sure what I wanted. I was pretty sure that the color I'm picking to wear today would be like it. But guys, I love this color so much. This is like a beautiful pinky brown with a little bit of, I can't even describe it. This color is stunning. The lipstick, of course, is the same quality I would expect from her, which is very velvety looking, comfortable, not difficult, super pigmented. I love this. I am so happy I got this. I love, love, love this so much. Let's just throw the gloss on since this isn't the color I will be wearing today. Man, I love these glosses. I love this color. Love. Let's try another one on. Okay, so I feel like I know what I want, and I look at the colors, I'm like, or do I want that? This collection probably is my favorite collection. Like, I think she has done such a beautiful job with her shades and undertones. But I'm gonna try on Velvet Affair for you guys, which is a beautiful brown. Let's just throw it on. Here it is, Velvet Affair. So beautiful, guys. Such a beautiful brownie nude. Absolutely love it. Great job as always. We're gonna do Velvet Carnival. Velvet Carnival, guys. And lastly, the shade I'm most excited about, Velvet Dragon. All right, let's do this. Velvet Dragon.